The figure below is made up of two overlapping rectangles A and B. The ratio of the area of rectangle A to the area of rectangle B is 9:5, which means A is to B is 9:5. If 30% of rectangle B is shaded, what percentage of the figure is shaded? So 30% of B is equals to 30 out of 100 times 5 units. (30 over 100 times 5), and that would be 1.5 units that is shaded. So what we know now for sure is that this shaded part represents 1.5 units. Alright, which then means the unshaded part of B is represented by 5 minus that 1.5 units, that is 3.5 units. This will be the unshaded part of B, which is 3.5 units. Which then also means the unshaded part of A is represented by 9 minus that 1.5 units, which is 7.5 units. Here, 7.5 units. So what percentage of this figure is shaded? So that will be 1.5 out of the total units of this figure. So the total units will be, here is 9 plus here is 3.5. Alright, so 9 plus 3.5 will give you the total area, 9 plus 3.5, and that will be 12.5 units. Alright, so out of 12.5 units, 1.5 is shaded. So percentage shaded will be 1.5 over 12.5 times 100%. 1.5 over 12.5 times 100%, and we'll get an answer of 12 holes, 12 over 49 percentage.